Good morning, children. Now we are going to read the lesson EVS second lesson, Our Food. Page number 170. Food groups. FOOD food, GROUPS groups. Food groups. We eat food to grow and get energy to work. WEEAT eat, FOOD food, to GROW grow and get get energy 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 to work. We eat food to grow and get energy to work. Energy you have to underline, children. Energy to work. The food we eat is called our diet. The FOOD food we eat, EAT is CALLED called our diet, DIET diet. Diet you have to circle. The food we eat is called our diet. There are three main kinds of food groups. THERE there, ARER, THRE 3, MAIN main, KINDS kinds, OF of, FOOD food, GROUPS groups. There are three main kinds of food groups. Please children repeat along with me. That, THAT that, should, SHOULD should be included, INCLUDED, included in our diet. INCLUDED, included in our diet. We eat food to grow and get energy to work. The food we eat is called our diet. There are three main kinds of food groups that should be included in our diet. Let us read about these food groups. Energy giving food, ENERGY energy, GIVING giving, FOOD food. Energy giving food. Energy giving food or carbohydrates, CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. Circle this word. Once again repeat along with me. CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates and fats. Energy giving foods are carbohydrates and fats, fats. These these FOOD food, GROUPS groups, these food groups give us energy, ENERGY energy to work, WORK work, play and be active. ACTIVE active you have to circle. ACTIVE active. Energy giving food or carbohydrates and fats, these food groups give us energy to work, play and be active. ACTIVE active. Next one. Body building food, BODY body, BUILDING building, BUILDING building. BODY body, BUILDING building, FOODS foods, body building foods. Or proteins, PROTEINS P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. You have to circle this word. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. Body building foods or proteins. These food groups, GROUPS groups, help us to grow, GROW grow. These food groups help us to grow. Next, protective food, PROTECTIVE, protective. PROTECTIVE, protective, FOOD, food. Protective, you have to circle. Protective foods, PROTECTIVE, protective, FOODS, foods. Or vitamins, VITAMINS, vitamins. VITAMINS, vitamins. And minerals, MINERALS, minerals also you have to circle, vitamins and minerals. These food groups, THESE, these FOOD food, GROUPS groups, help us to be strong, STRONG, strong and healthy, HEALTHY. Strong you have to circle, STRONG, 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 and healthy also circle, children, HEALTHY, 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 healthy. THEY, they, PROTECT, protect our body, 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 FROM, from illness, 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 you have to underline, circle, illness, 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 illness. Protective foods or vitamins and minerals. These food groups help us to be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. Some people, SOME, some PEO, PLE people, DO, NOT, not, EAT, eat, MEAT, meat. Some people do not eat meat. They are vegetarians. Vegetarians you have to circle, children. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. Once again repeat along with me. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. Some people do not eat meat. They are vegetarians. Some people eat meat and fish. Some people, PEO, PLE people, EAT, eat, MEAT, meat, and fish, FISH, fish. They are non-vegetarians. You have to circle NONVEGETARIANS, non-vegetarians. Vegetarians, non-vegetarians. Okay, vegetarians do not eat meat. Non-vegetarians eat meat and fish. Non-vegetarians should not plenty of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Non-vegetarians should, SHOULD, should eat, EAT, eat. Non-vegetarians should eat plenty, PLENTY, plenty of fruits, FRUITS, fruits and Vegetables, 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 to stay healthy. Non-vegetarians should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Sources of food. SOURCES. Sources of FOOD food. Sources of food. You read that we get grains, vegetables and fruits from plants. Grains have to circle, children. GRAINS, grains. GRAINS, grains. You read that we get grains, vegetables and fruits from plants. Farmers, FARMERS, farmers grow, GROW, grow many kinds of KINDS, kinds of FOOD, food, GRAINS, grains. Farmers grow many kinds of food grains. Fruits and vegetables are grown on farms, 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 GROWN, grown. Fruits and vegetables are grown on farms. FRUITS, fruits, ANDN, VEGETABLES, vegetables, ARER, grown on farms, FARMS, farms. SOME, some, PEOPLE, people, ALSO, also, GROW, grow, FRUITS, fruits. Please children repeat along with me. ANDN, vegetables, 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 in THEIR, their, GARDENS, gardens. Some people also grow fruits and vegetables in their gardens. Once again repeat along with me, children. Farmers grow many kinds of food grains. Fruits and vegetables are grown on farms. Some people also grow fruits and vegetables in their gardens. We get food items like milk, 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 EGGS, eggs and MEAT, meat from farm animals, FARM, farm, ANIMALS, animals. We get food items like milk, eggs and meat from farm animals. Now, eating habits. EATING, eating, HABITS, eating habits. Once again repeat along with me, children. EATING, eating, HABITS, habits. Besides, BESIDES, besides a healthy diet, HEALTHY, 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 healthy. Healthy, how to circle, children? Healthy diet, DIET, diet. HEALTHY, healthy, DIET, diet, healthy diet. We must have good, 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 EATING, eating, HABITS, habits, to stay, 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 HEALTHY, healthy. Besides a healthy diet, we must have good eating habits to stay healthy. Here are some, HERE, here, ARER, SOME, some, EATING, eating, HABITS, habits, YOU, SHOULD, should, ALWAYS always, FOLLOW follow. Here are some eating habits you should always follow. Here are some eating habits you should always follow. EAT, eat your meals, MEALS, meals at fixed time, FIXED, fixed TIMES, time. Fixed time you have to underline. FIXED, fixed TIME, time. Eat your meals at fixed times. Wash your hands, WASH, wash, YOUR, your, HANDS, hands, WELL, well, BEFORE, before and after eating. Wash your hands well before and after eating. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Plenty you have to circle, children. PLENTY, plenty. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. FRUITS, fruits, and VEGETABLES, vegetables. Drink, 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 PLENTY, plenty of water every day. Drink plenty of water every day. EVERYDAY, every day. Every day you must drink 8 or 9 glasses of water. Drink plenty of water every day. Chew your food well. CHEW, chew your food well. Eat in a pleasant mood. PLESANT, pleasant, MOOD, mood. Eat in a pleasant, 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 MOOD, mood. Eat in a pleasant mood. We should chew our food well before swallowing. SWALLOWING, swallowing. We should chew our food well before swallowing. You have to circle. SWALLOWING, swallowing. Chewing, CHEWING, chewing helps, HELPS, helps in breaking, BREAKING, breaking food groups into smaller, SMALLES, smaller, PIECES, pieces before reaching, REACHING, before reaching. Stomach, STOMACH, before reaching stomach, STOMACH, stomach. This way, TH as this, WA way, this way, our body, OUR, our BODY, body, our body gets benefits, BENEFITS, benefits. BENEFITS, benefits you have to circle. Benefits or various food groups. VARIOUS, various food groups. Once again repeat, children. We should chew our food well before swallowing. Chewing helps in breaking food groups into smaller pieces before reaching stomach. Before reaching stomach. This way, our body gets benefits of various food groups. Okay, children. Now, once again, we read the hard words. Now, we are going to read once again what? Hard words. Very good, children. ENERGY, energy. Please, children, repeat along with me. ENERGY, energy. ENERGY, energy. DIET, diet. DIET, diet. CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. Active. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. Proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins. Protective food. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. Protective. F-O-O-D-S. Foods. Protective foods. Vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S. Vitamins. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Illness. I-L-L-N-E-S-S. Illness. I-L-L-N-E-S-S. Illness. Vegetarians. V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S. Vegetarians. V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S. Vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. N-O-N. Non. V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N-S. Vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. G-R-A-I-N-S. Grains. Fixed time. F-I-X-E-D-T-I-M-E. Time. Fixed time. F-I-X-E-D-T-I-M-E. Time. Fixed time. Plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y. Plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y. Plenty. Swallowing. S-W-A-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Swallowing. S-W-A-L-L-O-I-N-G. Swallowing. Benefits. B-E-N-E-F-I-T-S. Benefits. B-E-N-E-F-I-T-S. Benefits. Chewing. C-H-E-W-I-N-G. Chewing. C-H-E-W-I-N-G. Chewing. Okay children, watch this video 2-3 times. After that you have to write whatever we circle the hard words, each one 3 times in your classwork. Okay, read and write the hard words. Which words you feel difficult, that words also you have to write each 3 times. Okay children, other than these words. Okay, are you understood? Thank you.